How to use complex conditional to fill column by cell in Pandas in an efficient way? I have several old books where each page is filled with historical records of immigrants and their families. Most variables were filled only for the father, usually regarded as the family's chief. So, for example, if the immigrant family is going to live in a city called Small City in the West, only the father would have this information, while the mother and children were supposed to go to the same destiny. Additionally, some observations have no information at all, even for the father. What I want to do is just fill the missing values for the relatives within the same family, i.e., the same boss. I have reached a solution, but it's too inefficient and I'm afraid I'm overcomplicating something that is rather simple. Below I use an example dataset to show my solution. Example dataset. Note that individual 1 has the city as destiny since here is from family 1. In the other hand, family 2 must be a missing information in the final dataset since I don't have information even for the boss. Then, I create a dictionary called istest_null where the keys are the family numbers and the values are Boolean values, true if the family's boss has information and false otherwise. In a separate executable file called heritage.py I define the following function. Running the full code with the appropriate imports yields. Which is exactly what I want. However, this solution is hugely inefficient and my real data has almost 2 million rows. Measuring performance with Tomate. I'm trying to measure the performance of my implementation to compare it with other solutions that I eventually develop, and I would be very grateful if someone helped to understand it better. Here is my code. Output. I'm not sure how to interpret it, but according to the documentation this means 23 seconds per loop, but what this means in my case.
If the available destino_Herenka always appears first in each number_familia_raw, then you can do a transform. Output.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.